All right, guys, we're back. Welcome back to Shade of the Content. Today we are showing you our brand new, they're actually on the website, our brand new breathable vinyl stickers, our air release vinyl stickers. So this video right here, paper?
Bubble release.
Bubble release, thank you, babe. Bubble release, our brand new bubble release vinyl stickers. They are on the website. We have them in 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5. Again, if you have a custom request, we can probably do it. But again, our stickers right now, we're doing a minimum of 50. So we got a minimum of 50, or you can get them in 100. That's how we're doing them, because we're working on a machine that can do singles. But until then, we have the stickers available. So let me show you guys how they apply, and let me give you guys the top three reasons why you want to choose our stickers, our full color stickers. By the way, full color stickers, you can print all different types of colors on them. We got die cut, square cut, circle cut, oval cut, rectangle cut, you name it, we can cut it. So let's go ahead and let's get into the video. All right, guys, so we're back. So the first thing we're gonna do here is we need to get our old sticker off. Now, one of the top reasons why you want to use our stickers, and the reason why you want to go with it, is because of the ability to get full color. So let me show you my wife's shirt. See, so as you guys can see, it's the exact, now once I take off this paper, you guys will see, but I'm able to replicate her exact logo onto this sticker. So that's one reason. So if it doesn't matter, there are no color limitations. Like a lot of people do, like outside glass stickers and vinyl, they use Oracle 651 permanent vinyl. And that's okay to use, that's fine. But what do you need in order to do that? You need a Cricut machine. We just got a video, so go check out that video. We're telling you, hey, listen, chunk that Cricut machine away. It's old technology. It can be used for things if you need like a one-of-one, or you need to make something super fast. Like if you're not near a DTF transfer company like ourselves. But if you are running a big business, you need fast and you need options. And DTF provides options. Our sublimation gang sheets provide options, and now our full color bubble release, air release, full color vinyl stickers, they provide options. So now you can either get a die cut, you can get a rectangle cut, whatever your logo is, you can actually bring it to life. So that's one good reason. So the second reason I'm going to show you guys is, once I apply it, how durable these things are. The second reason is these stickers, we say 2 years, but we know they'll last around 5. Like, because we live here in Houston, Texas, so we are always subject to storms and bad weather. And you guys see, we went from a crazy hurricane to a huge ice storm. So Houston has insane weather, and this vinyl sticker over time will not break like regular Oracle vinyl. And let me show you what happens to Oracle vinyl over time. So if you guys don't know, we have the strongest transfer in the world. That's how we market our DTF transfers, and our stickers are no different. So this right here, this is typical 651 vinyl. And as you can see, it's been about 2 years. So as you guys can see, this is our 650, this is 651 vinyl. As you can see, it's been about 2 years, and see how it breaks apart? It's all brittle and stuff like that. Our stickers will not do that, especially not within the first 2 years. We know 5, but to keep our business safe, because God forbid if 4 years were to go by and the sticker, you know what I mean, were to do that. So we say, oh, it didn't last as long. So we say 2 years guaranteed. It's not going to break apart like this because of the material that it's made on. So because we use a high quality material. So let me go ahead and scrape off this old sticker right here. Come on in. Let me go ahead and scrape off this. This is my Instagram, but I don't really want it on my car. I think that this is gonna look really good. So I would prefer everybody follow me and subscribe on YouTube. So go ahead, while you're watching this, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, Shade of the Content, and take the time to subscribe to Flash Custom Transfers, because that's my wife's channel. Even though we run it as a family, that's my wife's channel. We're trying to get her viewing hours back up so that she can get back monetized. So in order to take this off, I'm just going to use a little scrape tool. I'll put this in a link in the description down below. So this way, if you are applying stickers, you're like, dang, how do I get my old sticker off? This is the tool that you need. This razor blade is specifically designed for glass, so it's not going to scrape it. And I have blacked out tinted windows, but the tint is on the inside, so I don't have to worry about that. So we're just going to go ahead and scrape it off. Whop, whop, whop. Let's get that off of there. Get that off of there. You guys know my Instagram, but I care about YouTube. Anytime it's YouTube versus Instagram, I'm going with YouTube all day. YouTube versus TikTok, YouTube versus Facebook. I'm team YouTube all day. Okay, so now that's off. Now let's use some super clean to get off all this goo. If you don't know about Super Clean, man, this stuff is amazing. It'll really, they used to sponsor us, not that they don't, not that they stopped. I think just the way that I kind of change my content, I don't put a lot of, I've actually stopped putting car content on this channel. If you want any of my car content, check out Carl's Garage. That's where you'll see it, but Carl's Garage on YouTube, that's where you'll see all my car content. But Super Clean is an amazing product, so if you've never tried them, try them out. That shouldn't have scared you.
It did.
That should not have scared you. That should not have scared you. Anyway, wham. So the third reason is application. It is extremely easy, super easy to apply our transfers. Now again, we chopped ours out and we put it with this backing paper, but you're not gonna have to do that. Your sticker will come something similar to this, and all you have to do is peel it off and stick it on. That's it. And again, it's air release, so you'll see if there are any bubbles, they will just press right out. You don't, we do have a squeegee over there, but I'm going to show you guys that you can actually do this with just your bare hands. So let's go ahead, let's take it off. Application, man, we believe we have the easiest application in the world. We like to keep everything very easy. I know whenever you apply 651, it's very hard and you'll push it and you'll get a crease. Not with this right here. So I'm not too picky about where I want mine. I'll say right about there is fine. I don't care if it's even or not. That's not really a big deal to me. See how I can come back up too? Yep. Just as strong as our transfers. How's that look?
Fantastic.
Fantastic, okay. So we're just gonna push it on with our fingers. YouTube, don't flag us. YouTube, don't flag us. Don't flag us, don't flag us, don't flag us. Press it on, press it on. So much better. You don't need a vinyl cutter to do this. You don't need any of that stuff in order to do this. You just order your stickers and go. And also what's great about this, you can order their stickers from us. Somebody orders 25 from you or whatever, you can always charge more. You can always, now you can sell stickers as well as selling DTF transfers, as well as selling, you know, our gang sheets, as well as selling our sublimation gang sheets. Now you can add stickers to your business, because if you get a sheet of 50, you might be able to take, you know, 25 from this person, 25 from another, and we will send you that. So you're gonna send us 2 images, we're gonna send you 50 stickers. They can be 25 stickers of one and 25 stickers of another, and that's 2 orders that you've taken. So please maximize this for your business. Let's go ahead and peel it. Wham. Perfect. On there. That ain't coming up. And again, you can apply this to cups. You can apply these to cups and they're waterproof. Nothing's gonna happen to them. They're gonna be no different. You can apply them to your store window. In fact, whenever we actually did not have this product when we had our store, we're getting our store back tomorrow. That'll be a whole nother video. So when we get our store back tomorrow with our new logo that we had, it's gonna be great because we put a huge one on the glass and let people know. Or we can do that for the next customer, because we don't know if we're gonna take back the store. Leave a comment down below if you think we should take back our store or if we should turn it into a nail salon. So that's what we're gonna do. But for this video, guys, this is our stickers. You can get these right now, flashcustomtransfers.com. If you don't know what you're doing, if you do not know what you're doing, please contact us. Order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Email us, let us know so we can send you back a quote, and then we can send you an invoice, and then we can ship it to you. We also ship to Canada. We will be doing a dedicated video to Canada, to my Canadians. Oh, Canada, oh, Canada. We love you guys. We're gonna do a dedicated video to you because a lot of people in Canada keep asking us, do we ship there? Yes, we do. I had a guy who asked, do we ship to UK? We do. We haven't successfully, but we do ship to the UK. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this video over with. I don't know what these people are doing, but with that being said, all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get done with this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Go check out all of our other videos so that you can be notified on all the content in the world of Flash Custom Transfers, because we have 3 products right now on the website: DTF, sublimation, and now stickers. And we got more products coming. All right,
hardware.
Hardware, and we have hardware. So if you do need a vinyl cutter, it's on the website. If you do need a heat press, it's on the website. And the reason why we have those hardware pieces on the website, that equipment, is because if you purchase through our website, you get afterpay. So even say you want to go purchase a $300 machine, whatever machine it may be for your business, if you purchase it through Amazon or anywhere else, you're gonna have to pay up front. If you purchase it with us, you get the payment broken down into 4 payments. So if it's $400, you'll only have to pay $100 4 times. All right, guys, that's it. Please, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Do what you got to do. We love you. Peace.